555. Your angel is saying to you today, you are more courageous than you give yourself credit for. You are free. Don't be controlled by anyone or anything. Cut all the cords, all the ties that bind you, limit you, or feel like a rope around you, trying to choke your self expression. What you want requires you to be fearless, not fear being judged, misunderstood, or pissing people off. These are the very people you need to cut the energetic ties with, because just by thinking about them, you feel like you are obliged to live a life that they will approve of. It is better to disappoint people and live your truth than to live a life of inauthenticity. Surrender more, as it comes from the fearless and courageous heart that know that anything is possible, that truth is the divine. Take the guilt of others' emotions or action off your shoulders, because everyone is responsible for their own journey. When things don't go the way you want, see it as an opportunity to go with the flow. Be grateful for how the moment can be used as a stepping stone to further yourself, instead of complaining or worrying over the spilled milk. It is okay. All is well. Breathe abundance. Type yes if you feel this. And also subscribe God Manifesto 11